All right. I'm making a video on how to unbox your JCB. Are you excited? Yeah? Say, I'm excited. You're very excited. All right. So I already took out a little bit here and unboxed. And really, I decided to do this video after I saw how complicated it was. And I was looking for a video and couldn't find one. So that's why I decided to make one. Okay, so what I got was some tools. I undid some of their items and put it in my own bag. Um, so the front wheels were the easiest to put on so far. These had nuts that were just on there. I just loosened them with a 1/2 inch socket. Yep, it's a 1/2 inch. And did it. And then slid on the tire. And I put one washer in the back, one on this side, and I tightened back up. I haven't figured out my next step yet, so I'll be back when I figure it out. All right, so Cash is grabbing the steering wheel, I believe. No, right here, the other one you unbox, and just take the styrofoam off the ends, and I'm gonna take these apart, take this off, and I'm gonna slide it through here. Okay, so I'm going to put it upside down, and I've already used the knife to get most of these. I still have one, obviously.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay, we don't want to do the high. Okay, so the steering wheel, it says on the steering wheel, take this off, so I'm going to unscrew that. Okay, on the side of the steering wheel, undo the screw. Side of it till that pops out right there, and then put it on there after you get the screw out. I'm putting this together for you. Well, my son, he wants to ride this thing a little bit, so I'm gonna go skip a couple steps, go right to battery stuff. The seat's coming up, and he wants to ride it as a tractor, so I'm gonna let him ride it as a tractor a little bit first. But don't worry, this video keep it in line, so y'all won't even notice. Let's connect it. Oh yeah. Whoa there, Bubba. Alright.
Really? That's it? Yeah,
So, let's put it back together. Alright.
You can see. Look at that seat right there. No, that's not the seat. That's not the seat. That's our yeah. No, the seat. The seat. Green one. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to drive it or let's put it together? You want to drive it? Then get the seat.
Make the hole.
Okay. Get it buckled in. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to drive it? And screws will and this. Okay, so got to watch this angle from this one for some reason. I know what they want, but there. There. Wow. Okay, now it's screwed. Alright, be sure that your drill set is not stripped around.
Still some kind of screw that goes with this. There you go. Yep, it's this way.
Okay. For some reason, I think they did something different with this. So it'll spread back apart to either put in there or something. I just have a feeling. Okie dokie. Oh, okay. I know what's up. This thing right here. Now we know what it's for. It is to go through here to hold it on. Oops. So let me get my socket. Socket. Undo it. Okay. Hmm.
Yay! Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm building it.
You got this one.
All right. Oh, watch out. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. You can open it. He's gonna open the bucket. Working on this thing still, as you can see.
I can't open
You can't open it.
it.
Watch out. Don't get in the way.
I'm not pooping my diaper.
All right. Oh, the luxury of being a father of a toddler. All right. Here we go. All right. Whoa. Okay. There we go. Look what we got going on. Okay. All right. That's looking good. So I'm going to actually use their tool on the other side. All right. There we go. All right. Let's just look.
Ready?
No, not ready. But we're working on it.
You're working on it?
We're working on it.
There's
We getting there. We getting there. I promise.
Ready?
Not yet.
Ready?
Not yet. Uh-oh.
You ready?
Not yet. You gotta show the toy. Show the bucket. Yeah. Show the bucket getting put on. All right.
You're very good.
Yeah. It's going on. All right. Okay. Bucket's on. The bucket's on. Bucket on. Yeah, bucket on. Let's see. Let's see. The bucket's on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you can lock it right there. Neat. Wow. Oh, you better push it forward. Where's the button? Probably right there. Yeah, right there. Whoa. Whoa. No, well, yeah, you can go over here. Steer it. Yeah. Yeah. No, 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 because we gotta put the backhoe on. There, record. Record me, record me. Hi. I'm the one putting this together. That's my son Cash that you always see in the video, but now you get to see me because he wanted to run the camera and let you all see me. I hope you've enjoyed the channel of watching Cash. Oh, he's not gonna put it on my face, is he? Oh, yeah, there he is. He got me back on there. I'm back on there. Oh, he took me off. Oh, I'm back. Yay. Oh, he took me off. Okay, we'll record the backhoe then. This is the backhoe we're putting together. He's already lost one nut, but we found it, didn't we? He's shaking his head yes. Record something else. They don't want to see just that. Yeah, put the backhoe on there. The back bucket. Show him the back bucket. Yeah, show it to him. Yeah, put it on the video. Okay. Okay, let's get this other tire. Now it's upside down. You can hear the kids in the back. Alright, I slid it through. Already put on one wheel. It was easy, it's just like the front. And you just slide it. Come on now. Hang on. Might take two hands. Now, it comes with tools, but I got my own buckets. But I'm going to use it to tighten this. So we'll tighten both sides down. This is it, how it works. Just put it on, and voila. And actually, I think it's one of those. Oh, there we go. Okay. So wow, we can flip it over now. Oh, finally. All right. Now, I think we're going to go to the steering wheel next. Yeah. So here it is so far. We got some wheels and tires on. Okay, so the bucket's on. Ooh, that was tough. So that's the bucket's on. You have to pull this apart once you undo the screw. Oh boy. All right. So I guess next is the top or something to do with this. Honestly, don't know yet. I need to look and research. Now it's time for this piece, and it goes right in here. Easy. I'm gonna. It's a handle, by the way. I had to put it upside down to put this on. It was kind of tough. So here I go. I'm trying again.
We are so glad you took the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it and it was helpful, please like or share it and subscribe to our channel to see more like these. comments. We will try to get to those as you comment. And if you'd like to see more like these, I can take the time to do more with any monetary donations. Donate Cash App, Casey's Lawn Care. That's Kasey, Casey's Lawn Care.